Look at how cute the duck is. Okay.
Hi, everyone. My name is Jake Nickell. I'm the founder at Threadless, and this is my daughter, Arli.
Hi.
We were going to walk you through how to set up an artist shop. We figured with all the kids doing remote learning right now during the coronavirus outbreak that this could be a great project for kids kind of stuck at home looking to find something productive to do with their time. So Arli has done this before, and she wanted to show everybody how to do it. So a little bit of background. Threadless is a company I started about 20 years ago. Artists around the world submit designs, and we help them then sell them on merchandise like t-shirts and stuff like that. Artist Shops is our new project we launched, I think it's 5 years ago now.
5?
Yeah, 5 years, I think. So Artist Shops lets anybody set up their own e-commerce website with their own brand. So Arli has one, Arli's school has one, a number of artists have one. Even like local small businesses like coffee shops and restaurants and stuff have them. And it's a great way to just sell your artwork, your logo on merchandise and make a little extra income. So yeah, Arli's gonna demonstrate how it works. First, she's gonna sign up.
My email.
This is basically going to be your domain name, so how people find your shop. And Arli, what name are you going to go with?
Pirate Ninja.
Pirate Ninja?
Yeah.
Arli?
Yeah.
Pirate Ninja, I like that. Okay.
Pirate Ninja.
Okay.
And then username.
You could probably just do that, Pirate Ninja 2.
Pirate Ninja 2.
Oh, I meant also, like.
Oh, okay. That
it's taken.
Pirate Ninja E4 then.
Okay. And then just say your password in secret. Type it in secret so nobody can.
Perfect.
So now you just tap Create My Shop. Okay, so now Arli has been dropped into her Artist Shop dashboard, and this is where she manages her shop. Her avatar is a little mouse. And so before she can add a product, she has to make art. Let's switch over to Procreate. So Procreate, if you're not familiar, it's a great drawing app. You can use Photoshop. GIMP is a free software. I think Procreate's like $9.99 in the App Store.
But it's worth it. It's awesome.
So a couple things you need to do right away to set yourself up is you want to create a canvas that is the proper dimension. So for t-shirts, when you press plus, it gives you a bunch of, sizes, but you can press this button to do custom. And the proper size would be like 4,200. All these sizes are available on the dashboard, but you want 4,200 by 4,800. DPI 150 is good. So now you create a canvas. And so this size that you have right here, that's the size that it can be printed on the t-shirt. So what you draw is what would then be printed on the t-shirt. But before you start, Arli, one important thing with t-shirt design is you actually don't want a background. Right here you have white. So if you uploaded a white design, it's going to print a big white square on your shirt. So if you go into layers here, you want, like you just did, she hid the background color. So you basically want it transparent. You don't want a background. So you draw on layer 1, and now you'll have a design that's already knocked out. There's no background on there. So Arli's going to draw a design for her shop. And really, this is the part of making an artist shop that will take the longest time, is making your art. So we're probably going to fast forward the video starting now.
Zoom! It's done.
Yay! High five. Boom! Okay, so next step, so from here, you want to export this to a file. You
go up to the little tool wrench, then you go
share, and you want a PNG is the type of file that you want.
They export it.
And might as well just save it.
Save image.
Now switch back over to your dashboard. How do you do it? There we go. Okay, so now you want to come up with a title. So now press upload.
Upload.
And choose from your photo library.
Here. There we go. Done.
Okay, so there's no mature content.
I don't think so.
Background color. What background color do you want?
Maybe like like a blue, like it's flying in the sky.
The reason the background color is important is on things like tote bags, or pillows. It's going to print the blue background color. But on things like t-shirt, the t-shirt itself is the background color. So depending on what color the customer chooses, that's what color the background would be. But the background color is really important for other products.
I should have made some clouds.
With apparel, you choose what colors you want it to be printed on. Might as well just do them all, huh?
Whites, blues, dark blues, light grays, blacks, browns, oranges, reds, pinks, greens, dark grays, purples, and ivories.
And then if you just select all kids stuff, all women's stuff, all men's stuff, basically from one file, this design is going to be available on all these things. All these apparel items, all these home goods like wall art and blankets.
Wall art?
Yeah.
Wait.
Fine art print. And then you'll even have stickers and magnets, buttons. It'll be on a skateboard, all these things. Cool. We're going to skip over these other items because those are a little bit more complex, and you can learn how to do that. They have their own, each one of those has its own template that you have to design on. So here you just have to confirm that you have the rights to sell that image and then press create products. It's done. So now it's good to add a little description, add some tags. We can do that later.
We gotta add the description.
Yeah, let's do that.
This is a frog butterfly hybrid.
Love it. Very descriptive.
Wait.
Oh, some emoji in there. Huh?
Yeah, there we go.
Very nice.
Perfect.
Okay, go ahead and save that. And then we're going to want to publish the product. Now, one thing that's interesting here is we published the product, but we haven't yet published the shop. So you do have to go in and publish your shop too in settings. That's here. And there's another prompt on the main page. Save that. And now your shop is live.
Yay!
So if you go to pirateninja.threadless.com, and you can see there's a link here that says visit your shop. So
wow.
Now that you have a shop, you tap your design.
It's named Froggy Butt!
And you can see it on all the products.
I like the blue, though. Let's see.
And why don't you browse through some of the options? Very nice.
These are so cute. Let's see. I like the hoodies, but those are just like that one. Let's see the... Oh my god, there's a pullover hoodie for a toddler. Oh, it's so cute!
So now what you do is you grab the URL and you send it to everybody you know, all your loved ones, grandparents. Might want to buy. Arli's going to send it to her friends at school, right?
It to my friends.
Or you could even buy. You're going to buy one for your friend, right? And if you buy it from your own shop, you get a big discount. So I think we're going to send some of these to Arli's friends, and then we'll post another video when they get it, so you can see what the product looks like.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching.
I'm excited.
Bye.
Adios.